Hi guys and gals, this is Cyrus from iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Now today I have a really cool app to show you guys. It's called Gravity Lab. So the name gives it away. It's if you're into physics or gravity or anything like that, particles, you're gonna love this app. So let's see what it's all about. There we go. So there's nothing really to see here. There's just a space area. Now you can put particles here to see how they react. Let's say you can change the mass. So I wanna put this right here. And I wanna put something smaller and so these actually interact with each other depending on the settings you choose. You can create your own solar system, you can create your own universe per se. Not exactly universe, but having objects go around each other. I want to, for instance, drop the solar system here. See, now what I did was because I did it like that, it actually did the particle. The first particle that I put was absorbed by the sun. So was it the sun? I think so, or maybe not. Can't remember the. Right, so this is the solar system. Yeah, yeah, that was the sun. So, and the fun thing is you can actually make it bigger, smaller. There we go. I'm just gonna make it so small. And if I put a huge object here, these actually affect everything. So these are gonna are gonna start eating each other. Except that, see those two interact with each other and do their dance. So see, I'm just dragging my finger. It shows the direction that's going. So now the fun part about this is you can actually experiment with particles. This is great if you want to teach students, for instance, about gravity and how our solar system would, for instance, work if another object came into it. You do have the option to change the acceleration, the gravity constant, so and the speed. So I I turn these off because it gets a little bit messy. But if you want to demonstrate something to someone, especially in physics courses, usually you're familiar with these diagrams, and I'm just playing around with these objects. There's really no science behind what I'm doing. I just dragging and dropping objects, but you can see the potential is there to actually do some really cool things. And that's better. Anyway, there's also a satellite if you want to do it like that. You can turn these off and they go away. So if you don't want to show the trails, that's great. And these are different views, so you have the option there. There's a 3D mode available. You can't, when you are in this mode, you cannot add new objects. I don't personally use it. You do want to be careful with the mass of the mass that this slider here. If you choose something huge, it's gonna obviously make sense because it's gonna have huge gravity. It's gonna eat everything around it. So not something I would. Let me see if I can. Anyway, I'm just playing around. The fun thing is it's interactive. You have three different options as far as objects you can put on this grid. You can put a generic body or a satellite or a solar system. So you have some option there. And if it moves out of your screen, you just drag and drop until you see it. And some of the objects that I put there, they're still, it seems they're still moving around. There we go. See, these are the first one that I did. So this is your universe per se. This is your grid, and you can just drag this around and see what happens. Pretty nice. It's available for free. I'm not sure if that's the final price. On their site they say it's actually in the App Store. They say it's a back to school promo and it's free for a limited time. So you want to get it while you can. The developer is Urban. I can't even pronounce that name. But just go to iTunes and type Gravity Lab, and you're gonna see it. It's gonna be under iPad applications, and for right now it's for free. For how long, I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you think this app, if you've trying this app already, and if you think it can be improved. Leave your suggestions in the comment box. If you found similar applications that you want me to test. As you can see, I'm not exactly great with particles, but if you know your physics, these apps are gonna be fun to play around with. As always, you can contact us on iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Just go there, contact, and send us your email, and we'll get back to you or review the applications that you want us to review. Thank you very much for watching, and have fun.